lovely to see you. And I'm going to do a nice little kneeling workout for you today. It's going to be about 10 minutes as always, so it's quick enough that you can get it into your day. No excuses, okay? There's always time for 10 minutes, isn't there? So let's get started. I'm not going to waffle on about anything. We're just going to get right into it today. Okay, so you're going to come into a kneeling position. So here we go. Into a kneeling position, you're going to make sure that your knees are under your hips and your hands are under your shoulders. And you're going to find a neutral position. And often it's quite difficult to find this when we're on our own, even for me when I'm teaching. So you have to think a little bit about your alignment and how to get that alignment. Okay, so you're going to pull the tummy in slightly so you're not arching the back. You're going to have your hands underneath your shoulders, and you're going to check that the head is not hanging like this. Because believe it or not, that is what I see all the time in class, is people hanging their heads down. And you need to really work on strengthening that neck. So think of lifting the head and trying to find a sense of alignment. So you can imagine that there's a long line from the top of your head all the way up to the tailbone. Okay, so we're going to start here. We're going to take a deep breath in. And as you breathe out, I want you to draw the tummy muscles in and just tuck the tailbone under. So this isn't a cat stretch. We're not going into a full stretch of the spine. We're just trying to stretch, should I say, this lower part of the back. So from the tailbone to kind of the bottom of the ribs. You're going to take a deep breath in and you're going to breathe out to go back. So we're going to exhale, drawing the abdominals in. And we're going to inhale as we go back. All right, so keep it going. Exhale, draw the tummy in. Tucking the tailbone under, just feeling that stretch through the lower back. And inhale to return. We're going to exhale, tucking under. Inhale to return. And one more. Exhale, tucking under. And inhale to return. Now you're going to tuck under. This time you are going to go into the cat stretch, so you're going to continue the movement all the way down and let the head hang down. So you feel like there's a weight on the top of the head there. You're going to take a deep breath in, you're going to breathe out, and you're going to go back in the other direction into that nice neutral position. You're going to take a deep breath in, you're going to breathe out, pull the tummy in, tucking under. So hopefully you're seeing how my spine is moving, and that's what we're trying to do. Work the whole of the spine, inhale, and exhale as you go back the other way. And again, deep breath in, breathing out, drawing the tummy in, tucking the tailbone under, all the way under. Inhale there, and exhale as you go back the other way. And one more deep breath in. Breathe out, tucking under. Inhale and exhale as you go back the other way. Now we're going to add to this move. So you're going to take a deep breath in. You're going to exhale, tuck your tailbone under as much as you can to that cat stretch. Now you're going to send the bottom back towards the heels. Leave the hands where they are. So all the way back. You're going to take the elbows down, and then we're going to glide the body forward until your face is level with your hands, and then you're going to press up through the arms. This is a lovely move. I love this move because it feels really nice. So we're tucking under, and then we're going back, bottom towards the heels, elbows down, glide forward, press up through the arms. Get a little bit of tricep work, so you're tucking under. And then we're coming back. Leave the hands where they are. That's important to get that upper body stretch. Elbows down. Gliding forward. Pressing up through the hands. Let's do it again. Tucking under. And coming back towards the heels. Elbows down. Gliding forward. And pressing up. And one more tucking under. Coming back. Elbows down and gliding forward and pressing up. Well done. All right, so from here, you're going to take your right leg back, okay? And we're just going to raise it up. And what's very important with this, we do not want to be feeling it or moving here in the lumbar spine, yeah? This is about working the glutes. So you need to pull your abs in to keep really stable here, all right? So you're going to breathe out to lift and breathe in to lower. You're going to breathe out to lift and lower. So it's the right leg lifting, exhale to lift and inhale low. Exhale to lift and inhale low. Exhale, lift, and inhale, lower, and exhale, lift, and inhale, lower. Now here's your challenge. You're going to lift the right leg up, pull the tummy in and try and remove your left arm. Okay, that left arm is in a straight line out from the shoulders. Now you're going to do the move again with the legs. You're going to inhale, lower, and exhale, lift, and try and stay balanced. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. A little bit of a challenge. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. Inhale, lower. Exhale, lift. We're going to do two more. Lower. And lift. And lower. And lift. You're going to bring that arm down and bring that leg in. And let's go on to the other side. So you're going to take that left leg back. Think of drawing the abdominals in. Just be aware of those shoulders, so we're not doing this, we're not rounding. We're keeping that nice neutral position. We're going to exhale to lift the leg up and inhale to lower down. You're going to exhale to lift and inhale to lower. Exhale to lift and inhale lower. Exhale, lift and inhale lower. Two more and lift and lower. And exhale, lift, and lower. Now you're going to raise that leg up. We're going to extend that right arm out, okay? So you can see me shaking a little bit because I'm using all my strength to hold myself here. We're going to inhale, lower, exhale, lift. Inhale, lower, and exhale, lift. Good. Lower, and lift. Lower, and lift. Lower and lift, and one more, lower and lift. You're going to bring the arm in, you're going to bring the knee in, okay? So from here, we're going to come upright and give those wrists a little break for a second. If you need to, you can just do this just to release the wrists, all right? And we're going to be in a nice upright position. We're going to stretch the front of the thigh. So you're going to think about tummy in, bottom tucking under, ribs down, and then you're going to raise the arms up, looking straight ahead of you. All right, now we're going to hinge back from the knees. All right, so you need to be careful with this. If you've got any knee issues, you don't want to go too far. So take it nice and slow. Think of the pelvis moving forward. You're going to inhale, hinging back from the knees. You're going to exhale to come back up. You're going to really feel the stretch here, yeah? So you're going to inhale as you go back. And exhale up. Good. Inhale back and exhale up. Inhale back and exhale up. So you're going to think of trying to stay tucked under. So it's really easy to stick the bottom out with this one. And we don't want to do that, okay? So we're going to inhale back, exhale up, and inhale back. Exhale up. Good. We're going to take the hands back down. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go into a plank position. So you're going to reach the right leg back and we're going to take the left leg back. All right, so we've talked about this in other videos. So really important not to be rounded like this. All right, you've got to think of drawing the shoulders down, sending the chest forward slightly and lifting your eye line. And also making sure you're seeing with my elbows not to hyperextend, okay? So you want straight arms, but not overextended. And then we're going to bring the right leg in and take it back. The left leg in and take it back. Right leg in and back. Left leg in and back. In and back. In and back. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to inhale, taking the knees down but not quite on the floor. Exhale, push up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, push up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. Inhale, lower. Exhale, up. 2 more. Lower and up. And inhale, lower. Exhale, up. And you're going to lift the bottom all the way up. You're going to bring the feet in a little bit. Lower the heels into a nice stretch. I think you're sending your chest towards your thighs. And then if you can, you're going to walk the feet in. I do this sometimes in class. Little tests on our flexibility. See if you can get those feet underneath your hips. Take the weight out of the hands. Relax those wrists. Give the head a little shake. And you're going to take a deep breath in. Bend the knees, breathing out. Unrolling the spine. Coming all the way up to standing. And there you go. So that is just over 10 minutes. We did quite a lot of endurance work there and a lot of weight bearing. So you might find you feel it on your wrists. Nothing to worry about. It just means you're working hard. It's really good for your bone density. So I hope you liked it. If you did, please let me know, and better still, share it with all your friends, because I'm really trying to grow my numbers on my channel so I can do a lot more of this, because I love making films for you, all right? So any help you can give me would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to send me your comments, all right? And that's it for today. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon.